Are you not hearing me?
Mom, I'm going to work.
Why did you come back home drunk last night?
Mom, I wasn't drunk. I was only tipsy.
You came back home last night reeking of alcohol and looking totally messed up. Don't you know you are a woman?
Mom, why are you always blowing things out of proportion? I said I was not drunk. I was only tipsy. Now you're saying I was reeking of alcohol.
Chantel, don't you know you are a woman? That no man will ever take you serious if you find out that you drink this much.
Mom, please, can we not have this conversation now? The taxi I ordered is outside waiting for me. Please, can we talk after work?
Make sure you see me in the shop when you come back. We need to talk about this. Get out of my room.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Obalende, right?
Yes, Obalende.
All right, hop in now. Let me start the ride.
Before I come in, I need to be sure your AC is working.
My AC is working properly. You can check.
Oga, this AC is not working.
My AC is working properly, I assure you.
I just felt this AC and it's not working. Go fix your AC, please.
Madam, are you sure you know what you're talking about? My AC is working. Come in now. Come and feel it. You've not even felt the AC.
I'll cancel this ride. I'll request another, okay? Go fix your AC, Mr. Man. Please, just go. Bye. Move.
Last night was good, honestly.
Mm-hmm.
Ahem.
I had fun.
What did your mom say about last night?
What about last night?
The drinks,
Oh, she wanted to talk about it this morning, but I didn't give her the chance to because I was already on my way to work. I guess she's going to talk about it when I get home today.
You see, next time when I say it's enough, just listen. Please don't stress me again like you did last night.
I beg, madam, shut up. It will soon be your turn today.
Never.
Don't worry.
I know my limits. See, I know my limits.
Hello, beautiful queens. I just can't resist your feminine grace surrounding you ladies.
Feminine grace indeed.
Can I join you guys? At least let's drink together.
If you want to join us, you have to pay for our drinks.
As long as I'll take you guys home. No qualms.
Hey, follow you home as what?
I love fun. I know you guys love fun too. So
Oga, will you shut up your gutter mouth and get out of my sight? You want to take us home because you pay for our drinks. Are you mad?
Chantel.
Is this a case of madness or stupidity?
Chantel, relax.
Don't tell me to relax. Mr. Man, will you crawl back to the hole that you came out from? Are you a fool?
sorry, did I say something wrong here? Why are you running your mouth like a loose cannon?
Mr. Man, you're an idiot. Did you just say I'm running my mouth like a loose cannon? Is something wrong with you? Are you mad? Mr. Man, if you want prostitutes, go to the brothel and pick one.
Aren't you one? I saw you last night drinking and smoking your way out. I'm just trying to patronize Olosho Kobo Kobo like you. Is it bad to patronize you daytime? Stupid you, idiot. Come now, make I punch you, Olosho Kobo Kobo, idiot.
Now your papa, your mama, your sister, and Asha kobo kobo, idiot. Mabel, can you imagine this idiot? He just called us prostitutes.
Please, just let it go. Can't you see how he's looking? He's not even worth it. Please.
Why didn't you let me deal with this guy? Can you... What rubbish!
Chantel, let it go. It's okay. All right? It's fine. Huh?
God, this guy he just called us
It's going to
prostitutes.
ruin our moment. Don't worry. It's not okay. Like, family here. Cheers. Chantel.
Just what?
Fabian.
Welcome, Nelson. What's up?
Yeah, cool. Came home too early today.
Yeah, I have a slight headache, so I decided to wrap up quickly and come back.
Have you had any meds?
Yes, I have.
Are you sure it's not malaria? Because you're usually down with malaria.
No, it's stress. I think I'm just stressed. With good rest, I'll be better.
Oh, okay.
What's that?
Remember the girl I told you about that I see in my dreams almost every night?
Your so-called soulmate. Hmm?
Look, I know it's difficult for you to believe my dreams.
Oh no, I'd rather believe that the devil has repented than to believe your fairy tales. Fam, snap out of your fantasies already and face reality.
She is my reality.
No. Nelson, she's a fantasy. Okay, fine. So you're trying to tell me that your soulmate from the dreamland has sent you a gift, huh?
See how beautiful she is.
So this rude and stupid girl paid you to draw her?
Look, I take exception to you calling her names. Have you lost your manners? Do it again. I know you exist, and I know that I'll see you someday soon. My soulmate. Yes?
Bro, I'm sorry for calling her stupid earlier today. I only did that because of what she did today.
Who did what today?
The lady in your portrait. I saw her.
You can't be serious. Where did you see her from?
Dude, I saw her somewhere in Surulere. But look, she doesn't look like someone that is well-mannered.
Here he goes again.
You know that if I see someone that is good, I can tell, bro.
Are you sure it's the face on this portrait that you saw today?
Of course, the same girl.
Can you take me to where you saw her?
Well, I don't know the exact house she entered, but I know that street. I'm not even sure she resides there, but somehow we'll be able to find it.
Hello, Mr. Raff. Good day, sir.
Yeah, afternoon. Are you still coming today?
I'm in front of your gate now.
Oh, okay, yes. Ask the receptionist to direct you to my office, okay?
All right, sir. Mr. Raff.
What?
I forgot my AirPods. It's on the desk. Hold on.
Hurry. Oh, so nice.
Hi. Good afternoon. I'm trying to locate Mr. Raff's office.
Hi.
Hi.
That way, the door on your left.
Left.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Hold on. See, a fine guy just walked into Mr. Raff's office. That guy is hot. Ah!
Who is the guy?
I don't know. He's so charming. I almost made a pass at him.
Yeah, girl. Let's go.
Really? Are you sure? Okay.
Hey? The taxi guy is here. Yeah. You again? Girl, I can't use this car.
What is it? Why?
His car AC is bad.
No, that's not true. It's chilling in here. It's literally like a cold room.
Cold
I'm
room
even
indeed.
freezing.
Wait, well, the last time I used this car, the AC was working properly.
Come in and check.
Are you sure?
Come on, babe, it's working. In fact, it's chilling.
Are you sure?
Yes, trust me.
Okay. Is there a problem?
No, ma. I'm so sorry. I was going to ask you if you know one Nelson.
No. Who's that?
He's an artist. He's my cousin.
I don't know anybody by that name. Why did you ask?
Well, he says that you're his soulmate, so he's been searching around for you.
What are you talking about?
Well, if I didn't know my cousin, I would have also thought that he's crazy.
Do I know you before now?
I was about to ask him that same question. I mean, what makes you so sure she's the one your cousin was referring to?
Like I said, my cousin is an artist. So he sketched her, and the resemblance is, like, perfect. When I saw the portrait last night, I had to tell him that I saw the same face yesterday. You know, I saw you yesterday.
You see what I told you, right? There's something off about this guy. Okay?
You're correct. I think so. I think so.
Now, guess what?
Fabian, you know I don't like guesswork. Say what you want to say. See, I'm busy right now.
I saw her today.
Who?
The girl in your portrait. I saw her today. I even know where she works now, man.
Are you serious?
Dude, I'll take you there tomorrow. I even got her friend's number. I'll call her when we get there.
But why are you doing this? You don't believe me, right?
Well, I still don't believe you. I'm only trying to prove you wrong. Trying to get the fantasies off your head, you know.
Are you sure we're talking about the same girl here?
Dude, I swear to God. The same girl. Same girl. Her name is Chantel.
Whoa, 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 whoa. You don't know how happy that makes me feel right now.
Coincidentally, I saw her. We're going to party, right?
All right, come on. Absolutely.
My man.
I finally get to meet you tomorrow, my soulmate. I just can't wait. Hey,
My man.
how do I look? How do I look?
You look dapper.
Hmm?
Dapper, bro.
All right, let's go.
Let's go, man. Good.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, she's the one.
I told you.
Hi.
What can I do for you guys?
I know this may sound absurd or rather weird, but it's the truth. For many years now, I've been seeing you in my dreams. And in one of the dreams that appeared like a revelation, I was told you're my soulmate, rather my destined partner.
What you're saying is not making sense to me. How am I your soulmate when I don't even know you?
I understand that it may be hard for you to believe me, but trust me, I've never seen your face physically anywhere when I made a portrait of you. I was actually my cousin who saw the portrait and said he has seen you somewhere.
Are you trying to create a fairy tale romance from a book? Because I don't understand what you're saying.
In that case, can we go somewhere cool and talk?
No. I don't have time for that. Excuse me.
But she's rude too. Thank you, Mabel.
Wait, you said he was the same guy that came to Raf's office yesterday?
Yes. What did he tell you?
Instead of this guy to go straight to the point and ask me out, he was busy saying some rubbish about dreams.
Dreams. Oh, wait. You mean the same strange story the other guy was telling us yesterday?
Yes. I guess this guy must have seen my face here when he visited. And he went back home to draw my face. Now he's claiming some bullshit about seeing me in his dreams or something.
I think so too. It's very possible.
I hate it when men come off as not having confidence in themselves.
Okay. From the way you sound, it's obvious you don't like this guy. Me? I shall like him. He's my spec. So if you don't want him, I can have him.
Who told you I don't like him?
Do you like him?
Of course I like him. He's my spec. It's just that I don't like the way he's going about the whole thing.
Yeah. So you mean if he comes in the right way, you say yes?
I like him.
I've heard you.
Bro. Dude.
She doesn't believe me. She doesn't freaking believe me.
Guy, you don't expect anybody to just believe your fantasies just like that. Me, myself, I don't even believe you.
Didn't you see the portrait yourself?
Guy, it's possible you had seen her somewhere before you drew that portrait.
Enough.
Look, all I'm saying is, it's high time you kill these fantasies of yours and face reality.
I said enough. I don't want to hear about it anymore.
All right, big cousin. Face reality, though. Let's go.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm sorry if I startled you.
Oh, it's fine, it's okay.
I came to see you.
How did you find out where I am?
Your cousin told me.
Fabian?
Yeah. I see your work. You're really talented.
Thank you.
You have a wonderful art skill. What picture did you use to draw that?
I didn't use any picture. As a matter of fact, I already have the photo engraved in my heart. Down. Well, what's up, yo?
Nelson, you look happy today.
Man, I'm over the moon right now. Chantal came calling. She came to see me at the studio.
Oh yeah, a friend called. She asked for the address.
Oh yeah, she told me so.
So what did Chantel tell you?
Yes, we spoke about a lot of things. Man, we're having a dinner date tomorrow. See, that girl loves me so much. I can tell from the looks in her eyes.
Really?
You see, when I told you that I dreamt about this girl, it felt so real, yet a dream. I told you about it, but you said it was just a childish fantasy. Now you can see that dreams do come true.
Look, bro, I still have a problem believing that it was in your dream you saw that girl first. Dude.
Guy, whether you believe it or not, it's none of my business. I'm in a celebration mood now.
Uh-huh.
Are you going to join me or not?
Guy, my motto is celebration.
No.
What are we popping, bro? What are we popping? I have been eyeing that one since, bro. Ooh.
You already know what's up, yo.
I had my eye on that, especially, man.
Tell the girl of my dream.
Dude, you have to take it easy, though. But let's celebrate, man.
It's time to celebrate.
I love to celebrate. This guy wants to blow my eye.
Yeah, I'm gonna blind it.
No, you're not gonna do that, man. Because I need to find the love of my life to my own soulmate. You know what I'm saying?
I got you, bro.
Ooh,
What are
sorry.
you drinking?
Cheers to what?
Newfound love.
Soulmate.
Soulmate. Good morning, my lover. I can't wait to kiss you for real. I can't wait to share my bed with you. Love of my life.
So, how long have you been searching for me?
Since I was 25. I thought it was a normal dream, but I kept seeing the same face every other night for about 6 months. I was curious, or rather worried. I had a girlfriend then, broke up with her because of this face I kept seeing in my dreams every other night.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because in my eyes she has lost her appeal. I was no longer attracted to her, but the face of the girl whom I see in my dreams, which is you. A couple of months later, I tried to force myself into another relationship, but it didn't work because the more I see you in my dreams, the more the face of every other girl becomes unappealing. One of the dreams, I was told you were my soulmate, my destined wife,
Wow.
that I would not have peace with any other woman except you. That was when I knew how serious it was and I started searching for you.
Wow. I don't even know what to say.
Chantal, you are my destiny. You are the one who will bring me perfect peace of mind and happiness. Providence has destined us to be man and wife. So I humbly plead with you, would you please marry me?
Are you okay? What is that?
Can't
Can't you see? It's an engagement ring.
Wait, you're serious? Who gave that to you?
Nelson, of course. Who else?
Shanta, what is wrong with you? I mean, which lady goes on the first date and accepts a marriage proposal on the same date?
There's always a first time.
He's a first date. Please, don't tell me you believe this guy's strange story or whatsoever that he told you.
Maybe what is wrong with you? Can't you see that I like that guy and he ticks all the boxes for me? So saying yes to him today or later is still the same thing.
Chantal, I don't think you're okay. Wait, don't you think you should have taken off some time to study this guy? Study him properly. Okay, what if he has a very nasty, bad habit or attitude? Imagine this when you're sleeping at night. What then happens? What if you can't tolerate that?
Then I'll walk away now. I don't understand. If I get married to him today and tomorrow he messes up, I would leave him. I'll walk away.
Wait.
Yes, you heard me right. See, let me tell you, me getting married to a man is not for better for worse until death do us part. If a man messes up, I would leave. I will. Come, I don't come this world to suffer now. What's happen?
Yeah,
I'll
for
bounce,
real?
babe. I will.
Wow.
Who come this world to suffer? I beg. I don't have time
Wow.
for rubbish.
You are being serious right now.
Of course, I'm being serious.
You have been arrested by the music.
Yeah,
You seem to like the song a lot.
I love it a lot. And I love the music video as well. Beautiful.
So which one are you? Team Wizkid or Team Davido?
I love both.
You have to choose one.
Okay. I belong to everybody and I belong to nobody.
Buhari. Babes, I've been meaning to tell you something.
What?
How about we get married next month?
Babe, why the rush?
I mean, why wait when I have already found my missing rib?
Okay, baby. Okay.
All right, let's drink to that.
Babe, welcome to my humble abode.
It's a beautiful place with simple decor. Like you say, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication.
Now that's the artist in you talking. Why don't you sit? Let me go get mom.
All right, thank you.
Make yourself comfortable.
Good evening, Mama.
Nelson,
Yes, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Good to see you.
Thanks, ma'am.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
My daughter said you wanted to see me.
Yes, ma'am.
Mom. Nelson and I have decided to get married next month.
Next month,
Yes, Mom.
both of you may pretty well be into each other, but doesn't think you are rushing things.
I know it may seem like we're rushing things, but it's best for us. Mama, Chantal is the one for me. Left for me, I would have wanted to marry her like yesterday. There's no reason dilly-dallying over it.
How are you, homeboy? Come and chop.
Oh, I'm so full right now.
Ah,
Yeah, Chantel's mom made me special delicacy.
Chantel's mom? You went to see her?
Of course. I told you we're getting married next month.
Hey, Mado, you're serious with this your marriage thing, no?
Very serious. I mean, why should I wait? I already found my soulmate. We're getting married next month, for real.
Maybe that's how good they find house, small.
It's not that serious yet. I mean, we can take your time, alright?
Say so. For Uber driver like me, what do I know? I don't want to suffocate you guys now.
Get that. Baby's calling. Hello, love. Yeah, I just got home.
Mado, I go love you.
Don't mind him. It's my cousin. Yeah, about that. Not really.
Voila.
Was saying that
Mado.
everything is just gonna happen for a reason. But then again, the marriage plan has its I would not.
I, Nelson Osage,
I, Nelson Osage,
take you, Chantel Lebechi,
take you, Chantal Nebechi,
as my lawful wedded wife,
as my lawful wedded wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
for better and for worse,
for better and for worse,
until death do us part.
till death do us part.
Now your turn. I, Chantal Lebechi,
I, Chantel Nebechi,
take you, Nelson Osage,
take you, Nelson Osage,
as my lawful wedded husband,
as my lawful wedded husband,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
for better and for worse,
for better and for worse,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
By the power vested on me as the officiant, I therefore declare you both husband and wife.
The newest couple in town are back home.
Yeah. Babe, finally.
I feel like I won the world right now.
Baby, stop cracking me up.
All right, let's celebrate. Babes, you smoke?
Yes, I do. Why are you staring at me like that?
No, you have to put away that cigarette right now.
Why?
Because you can be in the same house with me and smoking. You must quit smoking, babe.
No, I can't. I should quit smoking because I'm married to you?
Babes, please. I beg you in God's name. Please, there's no way. Let's not argue about this. I can't have my wife smoking in the same house. It's not negotiable. Besides, it's not even good for your health.
Nelson. Nelson. I honestly don't know what you're talking about. I've been smoking before I met you, and you expect me to quit smoking because of you?
I hate smoking. There's no way in the world I can put up with such an irritating habit.
Oh. Let's dissolve this marriage. It's not late.
What?
You heard me.
No way. Not my house. No way. There's no way my house. There's no way my wife will be smoking in my house. How now? I won't allow it. No way. No. This can't be happening. Look, let me warn you. I do not tolerate smoking in my house. This will be the first and the last time you will ever smoke in this house.
I am married to you, and I have every right to smoke in this house. You better get used to it and accept me for who I am, okay? I will not quit smoking. Get used to it.
I detest smoking. And I can't stand a woman that smokes. Now my destined woman is a smoker. Why is fate punishing me like this? How do I cope with this?
Hi, Chantel.
Hi.
Looks like Nelson is not around.
He's not.
Okay, do you have an idea where he went to?
Nope.
All right, then let me just call him. Now, the newest guy that just beat farewell to bachelorhood. What's up, man?
Good. How you doing?
I'm all right, man.
Sit down.
Of course. Man, I wanted to ask you something. However, why is your wife not here with you drinking? Why are you here alone?
I hope you didn't tell her actually meet me here.
No, of course not.
Good.
Does your wife smoke?
Why do you ask?
Because earlier today I saw a pack of smoke on the table and she picked it up like she was going to smoke it.
Yes, she smokes. I only found out today after we returned from the wedding. That's why I even left the house.
Knowing how much you hate smoking. Wow. So what are you going to do now?
Guy, I detest smokers. I'm so confused right now. I'm stuck with her. Perhaps I'm going to try to convince her to stop smoking.
Wow. Oh, there she is.
Oh, look at my husband you were asking me about. Baby. Uh-oh. Good evening.
Hey, what's up? Hey, Mabel, how are you?
Baby, so you were coming here, you didn't carry me along. That's unfair.
I didn't know I was going to be here myself.
It's not fair. Barman, please get us 2 bottles of Big Stout, okay? So when are you getting married? Your cousin here is married.
Well, if your friend agrees to marry an Uber driver, I'll just call my pastor right now.
No.
Deep down, you want to know.
Come on, honey, you can't do that here. We're outside.
Babe, stop now. You know I cannot drink without smoking. They go hand in hand. Children.
Don't you have respect for your husband?
Stop talking to me like I'm a kid.
Then stop acting irresponsibly.
How am I acting irresponsibly?
How dare you drink and smoke in the public as if you are a whore?
What are you calling me for? Are you mad?
No, leave me.
Nelson, calm down.
She just slapped me.
I know, man. She's angry. You're angry. Just let the tension die down.
Oh.
Sorry, man.
That's why she would slap me?
Allow the tension to die down, fam. Calm down. Calm down. Come sit down.
Is this how she snores? How do I sleep with this disturbing sound by my ears? Chantal. Chantal. You're snoring too much. I can't sleep.
Do you want me to stay awake and watch you sleep?
I was just thinking maybe it's because of the way you kept your head.
It's not about how I keep my head. It's not when I sleep. Is it a problem?
Well, I find it very disturbing when someone by my side snores. I can't have a sound sleep.
Okay, what is it now? What? If you cannot sleep, then go to the living room. Or you go meet your cousin in the other room. Please stop disturbing my sleep.
Nelson. 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 Did you sleep on the couch?
Yes. Chantal wouldn't let me sleep. She's been snoring like a heavy-duty machine. So I decided to come see if I can catch some sleep here.
Sorry, fam. Bele. I was going to tell you, I'll be moving to my apartment next week.
Oh.
So by today, I'll go meet the landlord and finalize things.
All right.
Sorry, man.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
Babes, we need to talk. Like, can we sit and talk?
Perhaps when I'm back. I'm in a hurry.
Oh, okay. Did you make me breakfast?
No, I didn't.
But you should.
I should make you breakfast. The truth is, I don't enjoy cooking.
So, who's going to be preparing my meals?
Oh, we're sauce now.
Outsource? Are you listening to yourself right now?
Mr. Man, please do not shout at me. What is wrong with you? If you don't want to talk, you forget about it. Now let hunger kill you. Please, I'm out of here.
Are you walking out on me? Come out here. I'm talking to you.
You have nothing to say. You're not saying anything needful, please.
Is it that you're not well trained or what?
What did you just say?
Look, I was told that you're ill-mannered, but I ignored it.
Did you just call me ill-mannered? Stop! What is wrong with you? What do you mean what's wrong with me? Did you just call me ill-mannered?
You're going to hurt yourself.
I'm going to hurt yourself. You're
wrong with you?
You're good. Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you crazy?
I'm going to hurt yourself.
You're
wrong with you?
You're good.
Come on.
I'll show you that I cannot control it.
What is wrong with
You cannot.
Did it worry you now? Don't kill him. What's your problem?
Idiot. Goat.
What happened? That woman is a tigress. I don't think we're compatible.
Now, but you know you rushed into this marriage. You rushed into this marriage, man.
Look, I just realized now that those dreams of mine were just hoaxes.
So what are we gonna do now? What are you gonna do?
I have no idea. I'm beginning to think that she's everything I don't want in a woman.
God, just go and sit down, man. Just sit down. Sit your ass down first.
Yeah. What's up, Fabian?
Hey, my man.
Is she inside?
No, she's not yet back. You're alone.
You mean she's still not back from work at this time of the night?
I don't know, man.
Once again, welcome to Lagos.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I hope you're going to enjoy your stay in Lagos.
I hope so too.
Welcome, welcome. Relax.
Thank you. Wow, nice place.
Thank you. So, when is the art exhibition again?
It's in 2 days' time.
Oh. Okay.
You know I prefer Abuja to Lagos, right? The traffic in Lagos is crazy.
Look at you, Abuja girl. Anyway, me, I shall prefer Lagos, so I prefer Lagos even with their crazy, maddening traffic and all that. Yeah.
It's your base now. I don't expect you to prefer Lagos to Abuja though. Your base.
Oh my God. Once again, you're welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Why don't you rest? Let me get you something to eat.
Okay.
Welcome.
Yeah. Oh my God, this is Lagos.
Dude, I've been trying to call my wife and she isn't picking up.
What could be the reason why she's not taking your calls then?
I don't know. Perhaps she's still mad at me over the fight we had in the morning.
Dude, you shouldn't have hit her though. But are you sure she's not with her mom?
I was thinking the same.
Yeah, try and call her. Perhaps she's with her mom.
Hi, Fabian.
I've been worried sick trying to call you. You're not picking up. You're not even returning my calls.
Chantel, your husband is talking to you.
You expect me to talk to him after hitting me in the morning?
Babes, what's for dinner?
Nelson, please. Go sort yourself out and stop disturbing me.
Honey, look, I really don't like the tone in which you talk to me in this house. I'm still your husband, for crying out loud.
Nelson, allow me to eat this food in peace. I beg you.
Babes, sorry for hitting you in the morning. I'm sorry for overreacting and hitting you. I seriously didn't know what came over me. Babes, I promise you it won't happen again.
Hey Gina, you're up already?
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. You had a beautiful night rest.
Yes, I did. Did you?
I slept well. What are you doing?
I'm drawing a portrait of my dream man.
Your dream man.
Yeah.
So, when are you going to introduce your dream man to your sister?
I've not even met him. I call him my dream man because I always see him in my dreams.
Wait, you're in love with an imaginary man? I mean, a man that doesn't even exist. Oh my God. Wow.
Well, I am.
This is funny. I'm sorry.
Why is this one still sleeping? It's 8:30 and you're still sleeping? Chantal. Chantal. Chantal? Baby. Baby, wake up. Babes. Do you realize what time it is? Aren't you going to work?
I resigned from work.
You did what?
I submitted my resignation letter to my boss yesterday.
Why would you resign?
I don't understand what I mean by why would I resign. I got tired of work and I quit.
Oh, okay. So I assume you're looking for another job.
No, Look, I deserve to rest. I've been working since I turned 20. I'll not work for at least 1 year. I know you're capable of taking care of me, baby.
Chantel, why will you take such a decision without talking to me about it?
Of what good will it be if I tell you about it? What will you do?
Is this how you reason?
Please, let me go back to sleep, I beg. Don't be me.
Chantel, there is no room for a full-time housewife in this house. I won't condone it.
Nell, what's up? Is everything good?
Not at all, bro.
What's the problem?
I'm tired of this marriage. Those dreams of mine were all scam.
Why do you say so?
The person whom I used to see in my dreams give me peace. Peace of mind. Now I'm met her in reality and all she gives me is how. But I've been deceived. Those dreams of mine deceived me into marrying someone that I'm not compatible with. And I don't ever see us getting along because we're two parallel humans.
Look, Nell, I don't even know what to tell you right now, honestly. Like, take it easy, man. Take it easy. Take it easy, man. Easy, bro. Easy, man. Take it easy.
Yeah, hello, Fabian.
Nelson, what's up? What's up?
I did.
Where you there? Where you
I'm here working.
there? Did Chantel tell you she was going to any apartment?
No? Why did you ask?
I just saw Chantel right now entering an apartment, and it feels like she wants to link up with the man that I just dropped off.
Oh, okay, all right. I'll be coming there right now. What? Chantel.
Hey. What? Why do you look shocked seeing me?
Nothing really. It's just that I wasn't expecting you. Where are you coming from?
Oh,
Okay, please wait for me inside.
okay.
Fabian, what is the meaning of this?
Guy, meaning of what?
Why did you tell me that you saw Chantal in the hotel?
Bro, of course she is. I can saw with my life. I saw her.
Okay, well, newsflash. Chantel just walked into my studio right now.
What?
Look, don't ever in your life play this kind of nonsense play with me, okay?
Babe. How are you?
I'm fine.
You good? So I came for us to go eat out together.
Oh, okay.
So shall we?
Sure.
All right. Yeah.
Honey, please help me wash the clothes in the laundry basket.
I don't understand. Have you ever seen me wash clothes in this house before? Huh? Take a look at my nails. Just take a look. You want me to break my nails and soil my beautiful hands because I want to wash your clothes? Sorry, I can't do that, please.
Look, Chantal, there's a limit to what I can take in this marriage.
Am I your maid? Eh? How do you see me? You see me as a maid or what? Oga, I don't wash clothes for anybody. I didn't even wash clothes for my mother, not talk of an ordinary husband.
What? Me, an ordinary husband?
Please, if you want your clothes washed, take it to the laundry. Please.
Of what use are you to me in this house?
Oh, you married me because you want me to be your maid. That's why you're asking me, of what use are you to me in this house? You're not serious.
Chantal, look, let me tell you the truth. I am sick and tired of this marriage.
And I did not beg you to marry me. Did I beg you? Did I beg you? I didn't beg you. Okay? Wash your clothes. Really wash your clothes. Good day, sir.
Good day.
Sir, please, I'm new in Lagos.
Okay.
I just want to find out if there's an artist studio around here.
Okay, you mean pursue the drive?
Yes.
Okay. Go down, take the first right.
Okay.
Yes. You will see the studio.
Okay.
After 3 building, Nelson.
Oh, okay.
Nelson, that is his name.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hello?
Have you washed the clothes I asked you to wash for me?
Who is here, please? Can I see you?
And I said, have you washed my clothes?
You! Oh my God! I'm so sorry. Please do not feel embarrassed. Oh my God!
The excitement.
I've been searching all my life for you. I was thinking you did not exist. I was almost giving up.
What are you talking about, Chantal?
My name is not Chantel. My name is Regina. I've been seeing you in my dreams and I was told that you're my soulmate.
Soulmate? Hold on. Hello, Chantal, where are you? Okay. I'm coming home right now. Oh my God! The black dot. I remember it.
Yeah, it's a birthmark.
Wait here for me, okay? I'll be back in 25 minutes.
Okay.
Wow. Just wow. And I drew the bet mark. How did I not notice that the woman I married has no bet mark? Chantal, do you have any identical sister?
No, I'm the only child of my parents. Why did you ask?
Then there's a problem. A very big one at that.
What does that mean?
I think I made a mistake marrying you.
What does that mean?
You don't have this bet mark.
So?
I'll explain better when I come back.
Hey! You're back.
Yes, I'm back for you.
Thank you.
No, you didn't have to thank me. I owe you that. Let's go to somewhere cool and talk.
Okay.
My joy knows no bound right now.
Same here too. Did you see me in your dreams too?
Yeah. I've been searching for you for many years. I had to make a portrait of you.
I did same too.
So, tell me, are you single?
Yes, I'm very much single. And you?
I got married to your lookalike. Chantal?
What?
I have something to show you. You can have it. Take a look at the photos. Yeah, scroll down for more photos.
Who is she?
My soulmate. The original soulmate. I chose you in error. As a matter of fact, it was a mistake marrying you.
What are you talking about?
Chantal, she's the one I've been seeing in my dreams and not you. Okay. Look at the black dot birthmark on her nose. Same as the one I had in the first portrait I made of her. You don't have a birthmark. I'm sorry, Chantal. We will have to dissolve this marriage.
What? What are you saying?
You heard me. This marriage is over. Da-da-da. Yes! Whoa!
She looks like you.
Yes, Mom. We look so much identical. I could swear that we are twins.
No, you are not a twin. Huh? I gave birth to you single.
Mom, are you sure?
What sort of question is that? I gave birth to you only 28 years ago. I'm sure of what I'm saying.
Nelson wants our marriage dissolved.
Why?
He said I'm not his real soulmate. That I'm just her look-alike. He said he made a mistake marrying me.
Really?
It seems that his dream story is actually true.
Do you want the marriage dissolved?
Mom, I don't even know.
My man.
My man.
I can't remember the last time I was this happy.
That's right. That's right. I can't even remember.
I feel really blessed meeting my soulmate today.
Honestly, wonder shall never end. But have you thought about the fact that the both of them are actually be twins that got separated at childbirth?
Because look at they really look alike.
I don't know, but how can they be twins when Regina is 25 and Chantal is 28? Yeah, you say the possibility of that is not tenable.
Yeah, man. I understand. A wise man once said that people come in pairs into this world. That might be right, actually.
Yeah, you're right there. Well, I hope someday I get to meet my own pair.
Well, you've met your soulmate already. You should be happy.
I'm so happy, bro. We need to drink more. Today is a joyous day. I mean, I get to meet my soulmate, bro. We need to think.
Tell that husband snatcher that she would never succeed.
Oh, you're back. And what are you talking about?
You know who I'm talking about.
If you by any way referring to my soulmate, you are mistaken. She's not a husband snatcher. As a matter of fact, this marriage was a mistake.
I am not leaving this house for anybody.
Oh, then in that case, I'll leave the house for you. I'm moving out.
Move to where?
I'll move to my soulmate. As you can see, Fabian and I are making merry. You can join us if you don't mind.
Baby, please. I'm sorry for all the wrong that I've done to you. I promise I'm going to change. I'll stop smoking. Baby, I'll stop drinking. I'll be the loving and caring wife that you want me to be. Baby, I'm in love with you and I don't want to break up with you. Please, let's stay married, please, baby. I don't want us to divorce.
Chantal, just hold on. Chantal, it's really not in my power to remain married to you. I mistook you for Regina because of the almost striking resemblance. I have to be with her now.
Baby, but you can be with the two of us. I don't mind at all.
Chantal, I do not have any feelings for you anymore. Whatever feelings I used to have for you died the moment I found out I was married to you mistakenly.
Baby, please.
Living together with me will only make your life miserable. for your own good, for your sanity and mine, I'll advise we part ways.
Baby, but I'm in love with you.
Chantal, it would be very wicked of me to stay married to you. I have nothing, absolutely nothing to give you anymore. I'm sorry. You're leaving now?
Yes. I'm leaving. I told my mom everything that happened, and she advised that I walk away. That whatever force or forces that brought you and my lookalike together might deal with me if I try to put asunder.
Oh, okay. That's fair enough. I'll forward the divorce papers to you as soon as I get them.
Okay.
Thank you. Baby,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm okay. I'm sorry for the delay. The traffic was crazy.
It's fine. I'm sorry for putting you through all the stress.
No, it's okay. No, babe, it's okay. I couldn't wait to see you.
And you know what? You've made me the happiest man right now.
And I'm the happiest woman on earth right now.
Babes, I'd like you to accompany me somewhere right now.
Where?
You will know when we get there.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Oh my God.
The love of my life. Will you marry me?
Yes! Yes, I'll marry you, the love of my life. Oh my God, baby. Oh my God. Wow.
I'm so excited. This is the first of a kind, from dream lovers to reality.
Yes. Perhaps we are the first real soulmates.
Yes. My joy knows no bound right now, baby.
Oh my God. Baby, you don't want to know how I feel right now. The same joy that I felt in my dreams is what I'm feeling right now.
Babes, please forgive me for being with someone else thinking it's you.
Baby, there's really nothing to forgive. It was an honest mistake.
I know. Somehow I just blame myself for not paying attention to little tiny details. I would have noticed the birthmark on her nose.
Baby, perhaps your excitement got the best of you.
You're right, baby.
Baby, look, it's okay. It's all in the past now. Now you have me. That is all that matters, baby. You have me.
Let's celebrate! Wow.
Oh my God. Yeah.